the challenges begin today, that we need to reform the sector to make it internationally competitive. And we believe the signing of this agreement with Boeing today will propel us towards our ambition and becoming a leader in the aviation sector. I thank the chairman of the board, Mr. Rumi, of Biman Bangladesh Airlines, all board members, the managing director, the deputy managing director. We have installed and appointed a new board for Biman Bangladesh Airlines, who we strongly believe that will take forward in delivering these ambitious priorities. Let this deal and agreement with Boeing signal that Bangladesh is now open to do business with the world. Let's begin through the signing of this agreement that Bangladesh is a country that will soon stand tall across business sectors, across trade and investment. It will be ambitious for its people, and it will be globally outward-looking in actually influencing economic progress and stability internally and within the region in the long run. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable remarks and for gracing this ceremony with your presence.
বাংলার পরতে পরতে ঠিক এমনই আবেগ আর ভালোবাসা নিয়ে প্রতিদিন ডানা মেলে আমাদের এক টুকরো বাংলাদেশ।
Ladies and gentlemen, behind every major step forward for a national institution, there is vision, there is guidance, and a strong stewardship. As Biman Bangladesh Airlines enters this significant new chapter, the guidance of its board remains essential in shaping decisions that strengthen the airline's future, enhance its capability, and uphold its responsibility as the national flag carrier. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now respectfully invite Mr. Rumi A. Hussain, Chairman, Board of Directors, Biman Bangladesh Airlines Limited, to please come up on stage and deliver his address. With a round of applause, please welcome Mr. Rumi A. Hussain.
সম্মানিত উপস্থিতিবৃন্দ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম এবং শুভ সন্ধ্যা। আমরা আমাদের জাতীয় অনুষ্ঠানে সচরাচর বাংলাতেই কথা বলি, কিন্তু আমাদের বিশিষ্ট বিদেশি অতিথিবৃন্দ এখানে আছেন, এম্বাসির সদস্যবৃন্দ এবং বোয়িং এর সদস্যবৃন্দ। সুতরাং আমরা ইংরেজিতে কিছু বক্তব্য রাখব। দ্বিতীয়ত, আমাদের অনুষ্ঠানে কিছুটা পরিবর্তন আসছে, কারণ আপনারা জানেন যে আজকে লাস্ট সেশন অফ দ্য পার্লামেন্ট। সুতরাং আনফরচুনেটলি আমাদের প্রধান অতিথি মাননীয় বিমান মন্ত্রী এবং আমাদের পররাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রী ডক্টর খলিলুর রহমান, ওনারা দুজনেই পার্লামেন্টে আজকে আটকে গেছেন। ওনারা কিছুক্ষণ পরে আসবেন। সুতরাং অনুষ্ঠানের কিছুটা অনুষ্ঠান সূচিতে পরিবর্তিত হচ্ছে। যাই হোক, আমি আমার মূল বক্তব্যে আসি। Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, উনি এখন নাই, we are expecting that she'll come soon. Honorable Foreign Minister, we are also expecting he'll be here soon. Honorable Chief State Minister of Civil Aviation and Tourism, Mr. Rashiduzzaman Millat. Honorable Advisor to the Prime Minister, Mr. Humayun Kabir. His Excellency, the United States Ambassador to Bangladesh, Brent T. Christensen, Mr. Paul Riggy, Vice President of Boeing, honorable members of the Board of Directors of Biman Bangladesh Airlines, distinguished guests, media representatives, ladies and gentlemen, Salam Alaikum and very good evening. On behalf of the Board of Directors of Biman Bangladesh Airlines, I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion. After long deliberation, Boeing and Biman could finally sign the purchase agreement this evening. We'll sign. In our original program, that was the first thing we wanted to do. We congratulate the whole team, including Biman and Boeing officials, civil aviation officials, various government departments, the U.S. Embassy, certainly the honorable ministers, the boards, and particularly thanks to the team of the Attorney General. I'm afraid he could not be present here because legally he said there is a conflict of interest. We invited him. But his team is here, who were all involved in the process. And special thanks, certainly I would like to give it again when he is present with us, to Dr. Khalilur Rahman for his zealous efforts in culminating this deal. The new board was formed hardly 4 days back and had to ensure that all the due process and legal due diligence had been done before the authorized signing could take place by the 30th of April deadline. If we could not have met this deadline, the delivery schedule of the aircrafts and the price of the aircrafts would have been uncertain. So it was very important for us to do everything within the last 3 days and conclude the deal today. We have signed for 14 new Boeing aircrafts, and we plan to expand our fleet by 47 by 2034-2035 to meet the passenger demand. The expansion aims to boost profitability through increased capacity, modernization of the fleet, and operation. Biman Bangladesh Airlines plans to launch new routes revive the old profitable routes, replace aging aircrafts, and increase capacity. The new additions will increase seat capacity to over 5,000 per day and modernize the fleet with better operational efficiency. With this addition, Biman will become more profitable and passenger-friendly, along with more cargo capacity. The new aircrafts are aligned with the commissioning of the new third terminal at Dhaka Shah Jalal International Airport. The proposed expansion includes a mix of wide-bodied and narrow-bodied aircrafts to support both long-haul international flights and regional operation. Ladies and gentlemen, we currently carry less than 25% of our own passengers and less than 10% of our own cargo. Many Bangladeshis don't know that. They keep on saying, why do you buy so many planes? Numerous foreign exchange earning migrant workers are now flying alternative airlines as we are unable to serve them. During the Hajj season, you are all aware of it, there is always a crisis for lack of proper fleet. Our garment industry, which is one of our major foreign exchange earners, has huge cargo taken care by other airlines. Apart from lost business, this commercial airline has moral obligation as a national flag carrier to serve the greater need of our people. We have a long way to go to compete with the top airlines, which certainly we dream of. Service needs to be improved. There is no doubt about that. Customer satisfaction must be enhanced, but it all starts with the expansion and modernization of our fleet. Under the very able and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Janab Tariq Rahman, we are adamant to uplift and expand our aviation sector to fulfill our nation's dreams. We want to be proud of our airline, Biman Bangladesh Airline. This is only the beginning of our flight to the next frontier. Thank you all. Dhanyabad.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable remarks and for gracing this ceremony with your presence. We are now honored to invite Mr. M. Rashiduzzaman Millat, Honorable State Minister, Ministry of Civil Aviation and Tourism, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. May I respectfully invite Honorable State Minister to kindly come to the stage and deliver his address. With a round of applause, please welcome Honorable State Minister on stage.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Afroza Khanum Rita, and Honorable Guest of Honor of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Khalilur Rahman, is not present here because of our Parliament is going on, and the last speech of our Prime Minister is going on now. I have just taken a permission from Prime Minister. that this event going on. Then he sent me here to speak about a few words for this occasion. Here, our friend, honorable guest, special guest, Mr. Humayun Kabir, who is in charge of foreign affairs and civil aviation sector. He is advisor to the Prime Minister. Secretary, Ministry of Civil Aviation and Tourism. And here, the Chairman of Civil Aviation and his team. Especially I thank to be here His Excellency Mr. Brent T. Christensen, Ambassador, US Embassy, Dhaka, and Chairman of Biman, Mr. Rumi Hussain, Vice President of Boeing, Mr. Paul Rigi, Managing Director, and the team of the Biman Bangladesh of Boeing, Bangladesh Airlines, respected guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Today is not just about signing a purchase agreement between Biman and Boeing. It is about building a strong relationship between Bangladesh and United States of America. The agreement for 14 aircrafts shows confidence in our economy, in our aviation sector, and in our future. It means we are moving forward with a clear vision. A strong aviation sector means a strong economy. More flights means more trade, more tourism, and more business, more jobs. It connects Bangladesh to the world and brings the world closer to Bangladesh. At the same time, we are improving our entire aviation system. We have recently launched a modern air traffic management center where the civil aviation chairman were there and his team were there. I believe this will open new doors for regional cooperation with better coordination and data sharing with neighboring countries like India, Myanmar, and coverage up to 350 nautical miles and beyond. Bangladesh is steadily moving towards becoming a regional aviation hub. We are expecting to open the third terminal very soon, which our board chairman has already expressed. This will greatly improve passenger experience and increase our existing flight capacities. With the progress, we will be able to introduce new routes and strengthen connectivity to destinations like Japan, Italy, Sydney, New York, and other countries of the world. Along this side, we are working to improve ground handling system services to ensure smoother operation to our airports. And here I like to say the tourism is also another important area. With better connectivity and improved facilities, Bangladesh can attract more international tourists. Our natural beauty, culture, and the hospitality have huge potential, and aviation plays a key role in unlocking all this. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Tariq Rahman, has set a vision for Bangladesh to become a $1 trillion economy. It means building strong foundations sector by sector. Aviation is one of those key foundations, and today's step takes us closer to the goal. This journey requires partnerships, trust, and shared commitment. Today's signing ceremony exactly reflects that. I congratulate Biman, Bangladesh Airlines, and Boeing. I wish success to Chairman of the Biman Board and the Board of Directors, those are present here, and also Vice President Paul Righi for taking these partnerships forward. I think I know majority of you were the guests, all the guests here, and you knew me also. I expect everyone will fly with Biman as your national carrier. This is my hope to you all. This is our beginning. We are extending more. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming and joining with us. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at the central moment of this evening, the signing of the aircraft purchase agreement between Biman Bangladesh Airlines Limited and the Boeing Company. This signing marks an important step in Biman's journey toward fleet modernization, enhanced operational capability, improved passenger experience, and stronger global connectivity. It reflects continued commitment of Biman Bangladesh to carrying the national flag of Bangladesh with greater confidence, efficiency, and pride across international skies. Now I'd like to request Mr. Kaiser Sohail Ahmed to please come up for the signing ceremony. I would also like to respectfully invite Mr. Paul Righi, Vice President of the Boeing Company, to kindly come up on stage. Before the signing, I would also like to request Mr. M. Rashiduzzaman Millat, Honorable State Minister, Ministry of Civil Aviation and Tourism, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, to please join them on stage. I'd also like to request Mr. Humayun Kabir, Honorable Advisor to the Prime Minister, Mr. Rumi A. Hussain, Chairman, Board of Directors, Biman Bangladesh Airlines Limited, His Excellency, Mr. Brent T. Christensen, Ambassador of the United States of America, to please come up on stage as well.
I would request the whole board of directors, would you please kindly come to the stage? And also I would request the governor of Bangladesh Bank, is he still here? Please. And the chairman of NBR, please. We shall sign it now, and later when the minister comes, again, we'll have a photo session. Civil Aviation Chairman, Mr. Chairman, Civil Aviation, please.
আপনারা যারা মিডিয়া থেকে উপস্থিত আছেন তাদেরকে অনুরোধ করছি সামনে যারা আছেন তারা যেন বসে পড়েন, সবাই যেন একটি করে ভালো ছবি পায় সেটা একটুখানি খেয়াল রাখার জন্য। সামনের লেয়ারে যারা আছেন তাদেরকে অনুরোধ করছি বসবার জন্য। Take your seats. As we near the close of this formal gathering, we would like to hear once more from the person whose leadership has been closely connected with this important milestone. This evening has marked a proud moment for Biman Bangladesh Airlines, a moment of partnership, progress, and renewed confidence in the future of our national flag carrier. May I respectfully now invite once again Mr. Kaiser Sohail Ahmed, Managing Director and CEO of Biman Bangladesh Airlines Limited, to kindly deliver the concluding remarks.